Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. My dear students, today I shall teach you Chapter 4, Cubes and Cube Roots. My dear students, you have learned about in previous e-learning classes of Standard 8 squares and square roots. So, here new topic chapter 4 cubes and cube root. First term is cube. Cube. A cube of a number is the product of the number thrice times with the number itself. Example, the cube of x. The cube of x equal to x into x into x equal to x cube. Similarly, 1 cube equal to example it's 1 cube 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3 equal to 27. Now 4 cube equal to 4 into 4 into 4 equal to 64. 5 cube equal to 5 into 5 into 5 equal to 125. Similarly, in this way, dear students, 20 cube means 20 into 20 into 20 equal to 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8,000. Write it and understand. You write and remember cube of number 1 to 20. Now a number is perfect cube. Similarly, perfect square. Point number 2, perfect cube. Perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. Example, the example of perfect cube is 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, etc. These are the example of perfect cube. Dear students, one test as perfect cube as perfect square. So test of perfect cube, perfect square, perfect cube number. Test of perfect cube number. A perfect cube number, it can be expressed in the form of triplets of same factors, same prime number factors. Same prime number factors. One example, example 2. Write on your board, show that 216 is a perfect cube. Find the number whose cube is 216. So first of all, write the PF of 216. The prime factors of 216. Here find prime factor of 216. 2 times 2 1 are 2 and 0, 2 8 are 16. Again 2 times 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. Again 2 times 27 2 are 54. Now 3 times 9 3 are 27. Again 3 times 3 3 are 9. So PF of 216 is 2 into 2 into 2. Now 3 into 3 into 3. Make a pair of triplets. Make a triplets. 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3. It is a complete triplets of same prime number. So 200, therefore 216 is a perfect cube. Is a perfect cube. Now 216 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. 3 into 3 into 3. Now 2 to the power 3, 2 cube into 3 cube. By rule of exponent, 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. So 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now 2 3 is 6 cube. So 216 is the cube of 6. Answer. Right? My dear students, now I am going to discuss some properties of cubes. First of all, first property is the cube of negative number is always negative. Example, minus 2 cube equal to minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. First of all, multiply sign. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Now multiply number. 2 into 2 4 and 4 to the 8. Same minus a cube. Minus a cube equal to minus a into minus a into minus a. Minus into minus plus and plus into minus minus. A into a square into a cube. So the cube of a negative number is always negative. And property number 2 is the cube of even number is even. The cube of every even number is even. So first of all, cube of 2. 2 cube. 2 is a even number. 2 cube is 8. 8 is also even number. 4 is a even number. 4 cube. 4 cube is 64. 4 is even number and 64 is also a even number. Property number 3. Property number 3, cube of every odd number is odd. The cube of every odd number is odd. So 3 cube. 3 is an odd number. So 3 cube is 27. 27 is also an odd number. 5 cube. 5 is an odd number. So 5 cube is 125. 125 is also odd. So the cube of every odd number is odd. Now some important question write on this board. Exercise 4A. Question number 1 of 4. 0 is left. So 60 cube equal to 60 into 60 into 60. So 216. 1 0, second 0 and third 0. 21,600 will be answer. Now, question number 4 of 2. Question number 4 of 2. 0.05 cube equal to, write in fraction, 5 by 100 cube equal to 5 by 100 into 5 by 100 into 5 by 100. Cancel it. 20, 5 ja 100, 25 ja 100 and again 25 ja 100. So innovator 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 by 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 1 2 3 0. So 8,000. 1 by 8,000 answer. Now one question again, write it. Question number 3 of 2. 10 by 11 to the power 3. Now 10 by 11 into 10 by 11 into 10 by 11. So multiply it. 10 10 ja 100, 100 10 ja 1000. 11 11 ja 121, 11 1331 answer of this question. My dear students, one important question right on this board is question number 7. Find the smallest number by which 1323 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect square. First of all, question number 7. Question number 7. Write the prime factors of 1323. Right here the prime factors of 1323. So find here prime factors of 1323. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6 plus 3 9. So it is divided by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 1 2 12. Again 3 4 ja 12 and 3 1 ja 3. Now 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. It is also divided by 3 again. 3 times 3 1 ja 3, 1 4 14. So 3 4 ja 12 and 3 7 ja 21. 1 7 plus 4 11 plus 1 12. Again divided by 3. So 3 4 ja 12, 3 and 27. So 3 9 ja 27. Now 7 7 ja 49. So the prime factor of 1323 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So 3 into 3 is in the form of triplet of same factors. Now 7 into 7 is not a triplet. It will be multiplied by 7. Then it also complete a triplet. So therefore the required smallest number. The required smallest number is here multiplied by 7. So answer will be 7. Dear students, write it. You have complete. You can complete exercise 4A with the help of these examples. Your homework is write homework. Homework. Solve exercise 4A. Thanks you. That's all.